Everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense, and let's see what the last extended week of November 2020, that is the 22nd to the 30th of November 2020, has in store for the sun sign Virgo. For the Virgos, this week is going to be a week where you are going to feel very excessively emotional and sensitive. Sometimes for a valid reason, sometimes for no reason. It's just one of those days where you're sensitive. That's it. Nothing great about it, but at the same point of time, see to it that you learn to honor your emotions. If you feel something about someone or a particular incident or a situation, do not hesitate to voice your genuine opinion on it. Don't hold yourself back. But yes, this is a week where you're going to feel very sensitive and emotional in general. Moving on to the space of work, this week especially for people who are into creative fields like singing, dancing, acting, or anything which is related to creativity, in spite of having a lot of connects and creativity flowing within you, you might feel a little bit stuck up at your place of work. Probably you might procrastinate, probably you might say, okay, let me give it a day or two, and then probably the creation will flow through. But somehow this is a week where you will seem to get stuck up at your work or delivering your projects or your let's say your creations on time, no matter how much you think it might happen in a day or two. So in order to avoid this situation, see to it that you schedule yourself. Give a particular project a particular period of time. Don't procrastinate and overdo the period that you have given for a particular project. This will help you to complete your projects on time, else you will be stuck up at your place of work. You will not be able to deliver your projects or your things on time. So see to it that you time yourself when it comes to your projects. Moving on to the space of finances. Finances are absolutely good, just that even if they are going to be smooth for this month, you will have to keep a little bit of patience, because there are chances that some payments you might actually lose a check somewhere, or let's say the check has been deposited but the bank fails to locate it, or basically financially delays will happen for this week, making you a little bit impatient. So see to it that you write down your financial expenditures and also the check numbers when you're making a payment to someone, or if someone is making a check payment to you, just see to it that the details of the payment are written very meticulously, whether the payment is being made to you or the payment is made by you with a cash or check or whatever kind of a payment it is. See to it that this particular week you have meticulously noted down all the financial transactions. It will help you to track and locate them if in case something or the other goes wrong, because there is a lot of patience to be kept when it comes to finances for this particular week. Moving on to the relationship area, singles might find someone. Singles might find someone very interesting, and after a long time you feel that there's finally a person whom you can sit and not only talk to, but the other person is capable of understanding you. You might also realize that you'll have the same goals, you'll have the same to do's or not to do lists in your life. Basically, you will realize that you have met someone with whom you are on the same page. So this could be a start of a very beautiful relationship. However, it is the start. So just treat it as a start and enjoy the process. Do not get into commitment so soon. In matters of health, especially for women, if in case you find some irregularities in your menstrual cycles, do not hesitate to visit the gynac immediately. There are chances you might think, okay, it's just this one time, and probably, let's see, I'll go to the doctor if in case it happens for the second time. But especially for this particular week, If you're not feeling well, and especially you have any kind of an uneasiness or trouble, especially when it comes to a menstrual cycle or your menstrual health, your gynecological health, see to it that you rush to the doctor immediately, because there are chances that there is something but which is actually undetected at this particular point of time, but which eventually, if you ignore it, will turn into something which is then very pretty noticeable. So in order to avoid such a situation, see to it that at the slightest sign of any discomfort, please immediately see your doctor. I will be absolutely open to receiving your comments, your feedback, your experiences about the predictions, how you felt about them. Please feel free to drop your responses in the comment box. Here's wishing you a very, very beautiful and a happy week ahead.